Hi, this is Lynn. Today I'm going to make a deviled egg sandwich. Here are the ingredients: eggs, cream cheese, sweet spice gherkins, honey, and rye bread. Boil my eggs for 8 minutes. Take few pieces gherkins out and chop them fine. Take a spoon of cream cheese into a small bowl and mix with the gherkins. And then mix with some honey. This is the best part for the sandwich. I forgot to tape the part of putting sauce and eggs on the bread. But that's fine, you still can see the last result of my sandwich. Hope you enjoy my video. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you, bye bye.